Is premium commercial vinyl wallpaper easy to install? Easy peasy. Here's what our customers say. Let us guide you through the premium commercial vinyl wallpaper installation step by step. Before you begin, unpack the wallpaper. Carefully read the detailed installation instructions. Once this is done, unbox the wallpaper and roll out the panels on a flat surface. Verify the amount of the wallpaper panels and double-check if there aren't any issues with the quality or pattern match prior to installation. Gather your tools. You will need wallpaper glue for non-woven commercial vinyl wallpapers, level tool, straight edge tool, craft knife, wide brush, roller and seam roller, sponge or microfiber cloth, squeegee, and a pencil. For best results, we always recommend to prime the walls first. Our favorites are Roman Proline products, as they offer various options for any wall surface and wallpapering needs. Let's begin. Verify the position of the first wallpaper panel by drawing a plumb line. Tip: if your walls and corners are not 100% straight, leave at least half an inch on each side. Use a level tool to draw a plumb line and ensure it is level, as ceilings are rarely 100% straight. Or use a laser level if available. Pour wallpaper glue into the container. Using a brush or a roller, paste the wall where the first 1 or 2 wallpaper panels will go. Do not paste the whole wall at once, as the glue might dry out while the first panels are being applied. Use a smaller brush or roller for the corners. Slide the first panel in place, starting from the top, and check if it is level to avoid sloping. Smooth the wallpaper with squeegee, soft cloth, or brush from middle to the sides. Make sure the wallpaper has a good adhesion in all corners. This will help to ease the cutting process. Once the wallpaper is firmly in place, cut off the excess material from all sides. Continue with the next panel in the same manner. Make sure the pattern matches side by side without overlap. Continue forward with the installation process, repeating these steps. Have patience and don't rush the process. We also recommend rolling the seams with seam roller for a good adhesion and perfect results. If wallpaper glue gets on the design, make sure to clean it off immediately with damp microfiber cloth or sponge. Once the whole wall is complete, go over all panels, seams, and corners once more to ensure a good adhesion. If any of the corners or seams haven't adhered properly, use a smaller brush to apply additional wallpaper glue to the wall and push the wallpaper in place. Our premium commercial vinyl wallpaper is water-resistant and cleanable. However, we recommend using only the soft side of the sponge to avoid damaging the wallpaper. If any accidents occur, make sure to use a damp soft sponge and clean it right away. Alternatively, a damp microfiber cloth will work well too. When it is time to remove your commercial wallpaper, simply start from the bottom and peel it off slowly at an angle. Our wallpaper is non-woven and each panel should come off in a single piece. If the wallpaper seems to be adhered too well to the wall and it tears, make sure to dampen the wallpaper scraps with water to ease the removal process. If I did it, you can do it too!